Hey lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my October Boxycharm base box here. Now this is the $25 a month box, so I'm just going to be unboxing it, showing you guys each and every product, as well as telling you guys the prices on everything. But to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so I feel like this box is pretty... I don't know, I guess that's the normal size. It looks small to me, I don't know why. Right, so of course we have the same card as I got in my premium box. This is Spellbound is the theme. And then of course on the back is the prices of everything. Alright, starting off with the product that I customized. Now, a little backstory on this. I customized this product, of course, last month, and I kind of regret what I chose. Not because of what the actual product is because the product that I chose is this palette here, and this is from Beauty Bakery, and it is the Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. It's in the bubble wrap because I'm going to leave it in the bubble wrap, but the reason why I kind of regret it is I ended up getting this exact palette in my premium box, and I knew when I customized this that there was a chance I was going to get it in my premium box because I'd seen spoilers, but in my premium box, it wasn't an option. Like, I didn't customize it in my premium box, so I didn't know for sure if I was going to get it, and I did really want it. So I was like, oh, do I take the chance of it coming in my premium box, or do I just go ahead and customize it? And I ended up just choosing to customize it. Anyway, so that's why I'm not going to open this, because I want to pass this on to somebody else, or maybe put it in a future giveaway. So I have my palette here for my premium. So I'll show you what it looks like. So here's what it looks like. It's an actual really nice palette, and I am glad to have it. I just, I don't need two of them. But anyways, so this retails for $38, and I do have it on today. And I have to say, so far, I really like it. I only used one shade, and that was this one right here, the lightest. And I really like how it looks. I think it looks really pretty. I put a lot on my nose, apparently. Anyways, so I'm going to do some swatches. So it has 4 shades. We have like a silvery one. We have like a purpley, kind of holographic looking one. Then we have the darkest one. And then this one that's kind of like orangey. So let me swatch them. They actually feel really nice. Like super creamy. But there they are swatched. So I'm not mad about the product. I just wish that they had waited for me to be able to customize it until people got their premium box so I could at least see if I'd gotten that product, or let me know some way if that product was in my box so that way I didn't end up getting a duplicate in the end. But not a big deal. I'll just end up passing it on to somebody else. But anyway, so pretty happy about this. But I mean, it is a really good product. Alright, and the rest of my box is skincare, unfortunately. So starting off first is this Laura Geller Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer. Now I guess maybe you could consider this to be makeup because it is a primer, but it's mostly a moisturizer because on the back it says that you can either use this to prime your face or use it as a moisturizer. So I would say this is more of a moisturizer. Anyway, so this retails for $32. Then there's something in here from Malin and Guitz. I've gotten several products from this brand before in my Boxycharm, and this is a resurfacing face serum, is what it's called. I don't like how the packaging has wording around, so I have to read it this way. I don't know, it just kind of annoys me. And then here is what the packaging looks like. It's kind of ugly in my opinion, just a bunch of words. It is a glass bottle though. I don't know, I feel like it's an excessive amount of words. Anyways, so this retails for $70. If I'm gonna pay $70 for something, I want it to look bougie AF. But that's just my opinion. Anyways, then next up is from something from KNDR Beauty. Kinder. And it is a lip mask. And this retails for $20. So here's the box. Not that you really care about the box, but there's the box. And then here's the actual product. I honestly am not like a huge fan of lip masks. Maybe this is more like a lip balm. I'll have to look at it. It kind of looks like a lip balm. Let me read about it. Yeah, you leave it on, so it's basically like a lip balm. You don't have to wipe it off, which I guess is nice. Anyway, so $20 for that. And then last but not least is some makeup wipe removers. So these are makeup remover towelettes. These retail for $20 and you get how many? 60 towelettes. And they're 100% biodegradable, which is kind of cool. I mean, I am getting low on makeup wipes, so this is nice to get, but at the same time, I could have gone out and bought makeup wipes for like $3. I mean, I would not pay $20 for makeup wipes, so that's just me personally, but here they are. I didn't tell you what brand they're from. They're from Julep. The packaging's cute. I honestly don't like getting makeup wipes in my subscription boxes. I mean, it's nice, but at the same time, I prefer makeup. Alright, so that's everything in my box, and I'm just going to tally up the prices on everything to let you guys know the overall value, and then I'll give my final thoughts on everything. Alright, so the overall value of my box is $180. I mean, for the price value, that's not bad considering you only paid $25. Here's the thing. I'm really not that impressed with my box. So let me go through everything one more time. I really feel that this box is way too heavy on skincare products. So this product, I mean, is a duplicate, and that's my own fault because, like I said, I had the choice to customize it, could have waited, but I chose to jump the gun because I didn't want to miss out on this product. So the duplicate part is my bad. So if I hadn't got this in my premium box, I'd be pretty happy. But I'm not going to count this complaint because that was my bad, like I said. But the rest of the box, okay, I got a primer / moisturizer. I got another face serum, and then I got a lip mask, and then makeup wipes. So yeah, super heavy on the skincare, and really not impressed with it. So for me personally, I don't think the box is worth it this month, just because I only got one makeup product, and the rest is skincare that I don't really need or want. I mean, I'll for sure use the makeup wipes, but I'm not a fan of lip masks. I don't use primer. I mean, this is a moisturizer. I'll use it, but I have a buttload of other moisturizers, and then these face serums. Yeah, so this month it wasn't really worth it. My premium box was so much better than this one. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help out my channel. And then also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my box this month. Do you guys agree? Do you feel like it wasn't that great, or would you have been happy to receive all these products? Let me know down below because I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye! But there you go, guys. That is my box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because that really does help out my channel. And let me know down below what you guys thought of my box this month. Do you guys think it was a good one, or do you agree with me that it wasn't the best? Let me know down below because I love chatting with you guys down there. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!